control car by Jada Toys for ages 4 and up. It has remote control action, removable Hello Kitty figure, and cute sound effects. Let's open it up and take a look. We have removed the Hello Kitty remote control car from the packaging. Now the car itself takes 3 AA batteries and the remote control takes 2 AA batteries, although batteries were included with the remote. It also came with a stoplight and a stop sign in the package. These are just made out of paper. Hello Kitty herself is removable from the car. You just pop her off and you can place her back on. Now, the remote control has beeping horn, car sound effects. She goes forward and reverse with a turn. I'll demonstrate. And back she goes. Let's go for a drive.